Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to my kitchen. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make Alaskan King crab, and I'm talking about the Colossal King crab. I mean, these things are huge, so stick around. I think the best way to cook Alaskan King crab is to bake it. A lot of people like to boil it into a crab boil, but I think that takes the flavor and the juiciness of it. I like to bake it and coat it with some of my favorite ingredients and seasonings and a little bit of olive oil, and I'm going to show you how I do it. And at the end of the video, I'll be showing you how to make some of my dipping sauce. I'll also be incorporating some of my jumbo shrimps and some Cajun sausage, so my mouth is watering already. So definitely stick around for this. Y'all, look at these king crabs. They are huge. I have a little bit of room for my shrimp and my sausage here. I'm gonna coat it with some olive oil, add some seasoning. I'm gonna cook it for about 20 minutes and then recoat it, and then cook it for about another 20 minutes at 400 degrees. Get into it. You want to start off by preheating the oven to 400 degrees. To start off, we're going to make the base, and the ingredients you need to make the base will be a little bit of olive oil. We're going to use some ground ginger, some Cajun spices, dried parsley, Old Bay, which is my favorite. I use a lot of that. Get into it. Get into it. And last but not least, minced garlic. We'll stir that around. Get like a little paste. And you can put as much ingredients as you want. That's your business. Now you want to coat your seafood really good. You can coat your sausage if you want to, that's your business. And what I did before is I cracked the crab ahead of time so the oil and juices and seasoning can sink in. And also when it's done, it's ready to eat. You don't have to crack it. You want to make sure you get every nook and cranny. Ooh, that smells good already. Get into it. I love garlic. I love garlic on everything. All right, a little bit more on here. And you want to bake for about 20 minutes and then you're going to recoat it. And for finishing touches, I had to put garlic powder, onion powder, now you want to cover it with aluminum foil, make sure it's nice and tight on there and sealed. And king crab holds a lot of water, so you don't need to add anything else. You don't need to stir it or mix it around. You want to keep it on top. And we're gonna put it in the oven at 400 degrees and we're gonna cook it for about 10 minutes and then we're gonna take it out and then we'll recoat it again, and that's when we will stir it, and I'll add some lemon pepper, a little bit more garlic salt, and garlic onion. If you don't like garlic salt, you can use garlic powder, but that's your business. So while the crab is baking, I'm going to show you how to make my seasoned butter. I'm going to use, starting off with the butter, a little parsley, a little brown sugar, Old Bay, Creole seasoning, a little ginger paste, and garlic paste. And you just want to stir that around really good. Make sure that the pastes are melted into the butter. Get into it. So now that it's been cooking for 20 minutes, we're gonna recoat. It smells so good. Get into it. So you wanna turn them over. And as you can see, look at all the juice that it made. And if you wanna stir your sausage and shrimp, that's your business. Get into it. Get into it. Like you should get in every crevice, nut and cranny. Can't wait till Apple makes a smell-o-vision because it smells so good. Be very generous with it. Then we're gonna cover it back over and cook it for an additional 20 minutes. Well folks, it's just that simple. Now it comes the time to enjoy my little crab feed here, and I just can't wait to get my lips on it. I can smell it, and nothing's greater than when you have it already cracked and you can just dip right into it. My little dipping sauce. Juicy, buttery, sweet. Get into it. Thank you guys for watching this. I hope you guys enjoyed my little crab feed here. And if you do, make sure you subscribe to my channel at SkyBobbyTV. You can also reach me at my Instagram account at SkyBobbyTV. Thanks for watching. Bye girl, bye.